Guys, let me tell you something about 2025. All that happened to me during this year. The year started with me being admitted into a hospital in the very first week of January, where I was administered about 24 injections, cortisol injections in my back. Now these are primarily given to release the pain that I was going through with my cervical spondylosis issues. The cervical spondylosis was as bad as C2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The gap was not low, that got fused together. So in fact, even the doctor was quite zapped to and amazed to be knowing that the nerves which would be going through these particular vertebrae where exactly was stuck, and how did they make position that I survived, and I was in a position to be moving around. So post injection, I booked myself on a flight to Ahmedabad for some official work, and on the Delhi airport, one of the incidents of my life which I would never forget, and that is exactly what I'm sharing with you. Uh, on the departure side, I bumped into a person wearing a dhoti, wearing a kurta, a jacket, and a turban, and a lot of people following him. Uh, few who were waiting for their flights to be boarded were touching this guy's feet. I bumped into him. He was carrying some books which fell down. I picked it up, gave it to him. He looks at me and keeps on looking at me. I wanted to get out of that stare and move on. He catches hold of me and he says, "There's some halo which I can see all around you. You are one of the very blessed ones and a very lucky person." So I said thank you, and I tried to move on. Now he catches hold of me and he says, बेटा तू जिस काम से जा रहा है उस काम में तेरे को बहुत तरक्की मिलेगी, एंड 2025 you are going to be doing exceptionally well. Now let me narrate what all exceptionally went through in 2025. Came back from Ahmedabad, April. I was admitted again with back pain, with pain in my arms, pain in my shoulder, and this time the cortisol injections were as high as 48 of them administered in the entire back area of mine, the entire cervical area, which is the shoulder blade, the trapeze, and everything. I get out. Unfortunately, these injections were not helping me, and other than the injections, I was having tons and tons of painkillers and nerve soothers. So April went by, July admission again. This time they were, I think, about 12 odd injections. No, not 12. There were 18 of them. 18 injections, and I moved on. With the pain. Couldn't have been going to the doctor every day, telling him that your injections are not working on me. So the next time when I go to the doctor, that is on sometime in September, I sit down. I'm in the operation theater, and the doctor calculates the number of injections that I've gone through in the last 5 sittings were crossing 100. So the doctor says that so much of steroids have gone into you. I will not be, and you are a diabetic. I would not be able to put in too much of injections into you. On my insistence, on my showing him some of the spots, like I would tell him, doctor, just put an injection over here. Doctor, put an injection over here. He was not really happy in putting those injections. One of the most politest doctor ever come across with. That was at Spinal Injury Center, Vasant Kunj in New Delhi. September, the injections, 14 injections on my insistence. No reaction again. I go to the doctor 3 days before Diwali, and the doctor suggests that I go through naturopathy and those oil and massage treatments and all, which I refuse, because eventually somewhere down the line I was supposed to be operated. All these vertebrae which had got fused together. They were supposed to be by operation supposed to be separated out. Now, as per the doctor, the operation was so risky because these operations are generally done from this area. They cut open this area. The operatable area is very close from here. My complications were such that the doctor had to cut me from the back. 22nd of October 2025, I am admitted to Spinal Injury Center. Go through my pre-assessment tests before the surgery could happen on the 23rd. Passed everything with flying colors. And 23rd, I remember, I think there were 17 family members who had gathered to see me off into the operation theater. Imagine, there are 17 people, you are on a stretcher, the stretcher is being wheeled into a room, which is the operation theater, and you're saying bye to them. Now, when you're saying bye to them, that micro millisecond, you feel this could be the last ever bye. Your spinal injury is going to be set by the doctor. Spinal operations are not very easy. Post that micro millisecond, that fear that came into me, I was inside the operation area. The doctor came in, he said, "Are you feeling nervous?" I smilingly told him, I said, "I was nervous when I was being wheeled in. Now's the time that you get nervous. I'm in your hands." The doctor smiled. By the time the smile went, I had gone into anesthesia. I was totally numb to all the things, and a 5 hour long operation happened. 8-inch cut, 8-inch rod with 18 screws fitted into my system, which still troubles me a lot. And if that was the end of 2025, I had 2 heart attacks back to back in November. And every time that I was in the hospitals or I was visiting doctors, I remember this guy's face. Maybe the halo that I have is saving my life. And here I am, standing in front of you, narrating my entire 2025 story. And in fact, this particular thing that you see is I lost consciousness. I was walking, speaking to somebody on the phone, lost consciousness, and bumped into the wall. And this scar is there since November, and it's getting dark by the day. So do not believe on these astrologers. आप में से बहुतों ने मुन्ना भाई MBBS देखी होगी. उसमें एक वो सीन है जहाँ पे बटुक महाराज जी को मुन्ना भाई प्रूव करके दिखा देते हैं. सो January first week, I happened to meet this Batuk Maharaj of mine. He's making fool of a lot of people who touch his feet, a lot of people who believe in what these people say. So be careful. Thank you. All the very best. Bye.